Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Jordan J, and today we are talking about 3 outfit formulas that I wear during the spring. So if you're interested in seeing what those are, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me, and let's get right into it. All right, y'all, so the outfit formulas I'll be showing you all today are outfit formulas that I wear in real life. I will have an example of each one up on the side. I think I have 3 examples of each. So yeah, y'all, let's get right into it, starting with the outfit formula that I frequently wear to the office. So this one is a blazer and wide leg pants. So for this one, I definitely, like I said, I wear this mostly in the office with like a tank top or a t-shirt underneath the blazer, and I wear it mostly with wide leg trousers. But there are instances where I wear this outside of the office or on the weekend, like with some wide leg jeans or wide leg jeans, or I might wear it with wide leg trousers too and a crop top under the blazer. But the 3 examples I'm going to show you, they are just different ways that you can wear this outfit formula. So the first one, you can do like a statement pair of pants on the bottom. So I have on like some red trousers in this one, and then I just have black on top. So I just have a black tank and a black blazer on the top, and that's one way you can wear this outfit formula. I think I'm just wearing flats because I wore this look to work. Another way that you can do this is by using textures. So I have like a leather blazer on top, and then I have a black tank on once again, and then on the bottom I just have on some gray cargo trousers, and then I have some flats on. I wore this one to work as well, and it was perfect. And then for how you can wear this on the weekend, you can get you some wide leg jeans, which is what I have on in this next look. Just some wide leg jeans. They have distressing in them. I have a crop top on underneath, and then I just have on a blazer on top of that, and I just have this one on with some sandals. Got my sunglasses on, and I got my bag, and I'm ready to go shopping, run errands, go to lunch, and do whatever. So yeah, those are 3 ways that you can wear the blazer and wide leg pants outfit formula. All right, y'all, so next up we have a white crop top and pants. When I was going through my pictures, I was just gonna call this a crop top with pants, but I realized the pictures that I found, most of them had white crop tops. So specifically a white crop top and pants. And this goes back to the look that I just showed, one of the looks I just showed you, where I had a white crop top on under the blazer with some pants on. So some of these outfit formulas are interchangeable, and you can combine some of the elements of them together. But anyway, this outfit formula is definitely one I wouldn't wear to work. This is more of a weekend outfit formula. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. You can do this with all the outfit formulas that I'm showing you today, but I love this formula because it's just so simple. All you gotta do is get a white crop top. Doesn't matter what kind of crop top. It can be a t-shirt, a tank top. It can be a it can be a bralette type crop top, as long as it's white and it's cropped. I was trying to say button down. It can be a white button down crop top. Yeah. Let's get into the most basic way to do this, which is a white t-shirt and some jeans. From there, you can do anything. When you have on a white t-shirt and jeans, you literally can pair it with anything. You can do a pop of color. You can put on some white tennis shoes. You can do whatever. In the example that I'm showing you all, I just have on some white tennis shoes, and then I have on a hat that has color in it. So it's like a navy blue and green hat. And then I just have a blue purse on with it. Y'all, you can take this same base that I have on. You can put on a red crossbody and some red sandals. You can put on some gold heels or silver heels and a clutch. You can do so much with just a white crop and jeans. But anyway, let's move on to the next example, which is a white button-up crop. And then I just have on some wide leg trousers, so some statement wide leg trousers, those same red ones from the last look. And then I just have on a pair of sandals and a top handle bag. Yeah, this is perfect just to, wear out and about. You can do pretty much anything with this look on, but I absolutely love this formula, if you can't tell. Like, this is probably my favorite out of all of them. All right, so the last example, I actually wore this one to the grocery store. So I just have on a white tank crop top, and it has like the back out, which you won't be able to see in the picture. And then on the bottom, I just have on some green flowy pants. I have on some white sandals and a crossbody bag. Love this. Oh, and then I just threw a jean jacket on top because it was cool outside. So you definitely can throw a jacket on top if you need to, or anything like that, because you still have your white crop and your pants. So yeah, love this look, love this outfit formula and the versatility of it. So yeah, let's move on. All right, y'all, and the third outfit formula is gonna be the easiest one, especially for the spring and summer. This is gonna be the easiest outfit formula that you can do, and that's wearing a dress with sandals. It doesn't matter if you do heeled sandals or flat sandals. All three of the examples I'm showing you are with flat sandals because that's mostly how I'll be wearing it. But yeah, let's get into these three examples. And for me, I didn't tell you where I wear this outfit formula. So for me, I definitely would wear this mostly on the weekend. I don't typically, well, I don't wear dresses to work. Not even typically. I don't wear dresses to work, and I can't wear sandals to work. So this is definitely another one that I wear more so outside of work. You can wear this outfit formula on vacation, running errands, going shopping, doing anything. All right, y'all, so let's get into the three examples. The very first one is this green pinstripe dress and some brown sandals, and then I just have like a top handle bag and some sunglasses on. This look right here is one that I can see me wearing to brunch. You could wear this to church. You could wear this pretty much anywhere, but mostly I can see this like for brunch or like for church, something like that, something where you need to be a little more conservative. This version of this outfit formula is perfect for that. And then next, you can do a denim dress. I'm sure most of you all have a denim dress. So you can do a denim dress and then throw on some metallic sandals and then like a pop of color bag with it, which is what I did for this example. And I absolutely love that. I wore this look to brunch and it was perfect for that. So you can do that as well. And then you could also, with this one, throw on a heeled sandal if you wanted to be more dressed up instead of just wearing a flat sandal. But I knew that we were going to be also walking around the mall that day, so the flat sandal was perfect. And then for the last example, we have one that's perfect for vacation. So you just have a halter dress and some flat sandals, and then I just have a tote bag on with that and some sunglasses. Like I said, this one's perfect for vacation. Yeah, but I absolutely love this outfit formula. Like I said, it's the simplest out of all of them because you just need two things: a dress and some sandals, and I'm sure all of y'all already have those items in your closet. All right, y'all, so we've reached the end of this video. Let me know if you all like this type of video because I have several more outfit formulas that I can share with you. You all may have noticed some just in past videos that I have shown you all if you watched my other videos. But anyway, let me know what your favorite outfit formula was down below. Let me know what some of your outfit formulas are that you all wear in the spring and summer, because I may be able to incorporate some of those into the things that I have in my wardrobe. And yeah, y'all, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Share this video with your friends, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.